friend! Today we're learning the letter K. K has a special sound. K, 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 K. K. K is for kangaroo. K, K, kangaroo. Can you say that? K, K, kangaroo. Good job! K is also for koala. K, K, koala. How about you try now? K, K, koala. Good job! And last one for today. K is also for kite. K, K, kite. All right, it's your turn. K, K, kite. Great job. Great job learning about the letter K today. Thanks for joining me in the Calm Little Corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye.